This is Uptown Swing
Level 4.
with Val and
Ryan. We kind of like recap to the whole month, like a lot of the things that we talked about throughout the whole month about practicing, how you practice, internal feedback in the partnership, external like visual feedback that you get when you work with partners or when you like record yourself or watch videos with yourselves. And then this week we kind of talked about power moves.
yeah, power moves were something that you had yourself that you were just really good at, whether it just feels really good in your body or maybe you've just worked on it a lot already before coming to this class.
Yeah,
and
sometimes it's moves or variations, and sometimes it's like the way of moving, like
Yeah.
almost like power movement, like something that you learn works really well with the way you dance.
yeah. And then you asked a lot of really insightful questions about how to kind of continue to grow your dancing and how to decide what you were going to be practicing, as well as what to do when you kind of get stuck trying to learn something, trying to practice something, and how to get through that with a different partner.
Yeah, and we learned how, we talked about how you want to work on stuff you're good at and get better at that and use it in like competitions and like performances and in jam circles, but also invest in the stuff that's hard for you that may not be working well with your body, because that's how you grow.
And don't just focus on one of them, try to switch between the two so you feel like you have constant wins in your dancing.
You should have been there. There was a lot of dirty sweat.